Look at this. Today in this video, we are making Snake Rocky Road. So let's go and I'll show you how we make it. Start again. Go.
These are the ingredients you need.
Okay, what do we got? Some chocolate that we're going to melt in the microwave.
And
We have some
chocolate.
Turkish delight, slivered almonds, marshmallows and snakes, and we're going to chop it all up and put it in this dish that we have already lined with some baking paper. Okay, Lando, let's go. Chopping up the marshmallows. Now it's time to melt the chocolate into the microwave for about 30 seconds. That was 1 minute and the chocolate is nicely melted. Time to assemble the Snake Rocky Road. Okay, I have my assistant here with me and he's going to start with the snakes by putting the snakes just randomly everywhere.
I'm just going to put them wherever I want and however I want them.
Okay,
And
so now he's going to add a little bit of Turkish delight wherever he likes.
oh yeah.
Turkish delight in. Now for the marshmallows and nuts. Marshmallows are in.
Now
for
the nuts.
and sprinkle them around. And then add the rest of the snake. Right. All of it is in. Now to pour over the melted chocolate. Now to drizzle the chocolate over the rocky road.
Why is it called what is it?
There we go. Now it's time to put it in the fridge and let it set. And then I'll chop it up and enjoy. Can't wait for this beauty. Here it is out of the fridge. Now it's time to chop it up into pieces. Chop it up into random pieces. Have it ready for Christmas. And there you go. Merry Christmas, guys. Guys, I hope you love that video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers, guys. Yes, Merry Christmas. Bye.